Habari yenu wote?
Aikari ya kaunti ya Narok ni maikirio ritana ni thirikari ya kaunti iyo gukorwo makirumirira mitaratara ya kuhotomia utheremia wa murimu wa COVID-19 kurumirira kuongerereka kwa namba ya arwaru ikereka-ini riria gatatu.
At our borders we have also stepped up.
Ngavana wa kaunti ya Narok Samuel Ole Tunai augite gukinyaniria na riu ta kaunti mandikithitie arwaru 524 na ikuo 21 na aikari magakwimenyerera namba ino yahota kuongerereka na njira nene.
I'm urging the people of Narok to be extremely cautious and to take all necessary measures to protect yourself and loved ones from the new coronavirus. It is also in cognizance of this emerging threat that I'm pleased to update the people of Narok on the measures that my administration is taking.
Tunai ni ongereire kuga ati mihango ya uheani wa njanjo na iratwarithio na mbere thibitari-ini itiganite na gukinyaniria na riu andu 658 nio mathecetwo njanjo ino.
To utilize our allocated doses of vaccine in due course. As a county, we will continue our efforts to acquire additional doses of vaccine for use by many residents of Narok as will be possible.
County Commissioner wa Narok Evans Achoki ni ugite maafitha borithi ni magukorwo magikia ngono aria matararumirira mawatho ma COVID-19 itemini ria gutigirira ni mahotomia utheremia wa murimu uyu Narok.
We have agreed to step up our enforcement on the Ministry of Health COVID-19 protocols. As we speak, we have teams from the National Police Service and the public health that are going round in Narok town and Wasonyiro to ensure that all eateries, restaurants and other public places adhere to the COVID-19 protocols.
Girifotera Kameme TV riturako ni Wajiru wa Foro.
This afternoon, in emergency response